Alam mo kung anong pinakamasakit pag naghihiwalay yung nasa long-term relationships? It's not the memories, no. It's not the photos, it's not the videos, it's not the letters, it's not the past, believe me. It's actually the hope. The hope of a world where you guys are together. The reality na plano mo, na isip mo, pinangarap mo na magkasama pa rin kayo hanggang sa dulo. The letting go of the hope, yun yung masakit. Because when that happens, a part of you is being detached. Your future self, something that you have planned and you have dreamt of, is now slowly becoming nothing. And in that nothing, you just feel empty, just feel na may kulang. But at the end of the day, if hindi siya para sa'yo, edi hindi talaga para sa'yo. That's it.